latch onto their prey and swallow it whole. Now the portion behind their nose where their eyes sit, that little lump, is actually where those special organs that they use for echolocation is located. That is where the sensory organs that pick up the sound vibrations from the water is located, directly next to their brain, allowing for the fastest travel time possible. We have a lot of dolphins right out in front of us, guys. We got probably 2, 3, maybe even 4 different pods just right out in front of the boat here. I think I just saw some swim under the boat. They might pop up on our right-hand side now. You guys know the other reason why dolphins blush? It's because they saw the ocean's bottom. Really big pod off to our 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock position there. Looks like they're rummaging around the water doing some dolphin stuff.
Coming this way.
It's like watching the Blue Angels, they're synchronized. So towards the boat on the right hand side, now they're getting a little bit closer. Keep your eyes peeled to our 3 o'clock position. He's heading straight for us. I think there's multiple. I really just see one below the surface there.
Come on, jump up for us. Here he comes. There he is.
And right in front of the boat. That was cool.
Here we go.
Right hand side in front of the boat, guys. He's swimming directly in front of the boat, just underneath the water surface there. He should be popping up right now.